Hey, so maybe you have an older device laying around the house, or you just like to tinker. Well, I got a couple of tool sets here that'll let you get into any device, and we're going to go ahead and unbox and take a look at them. Welcome and thanks for watching. Today I'm going to take a look at two toolkits I recently picked up, and both are from iFixit. And if that name sounds familiar to you, iFixit is the website that does the teardowns for all the new gadgets and devices that are released. I know I tune in specifically for the Apple devices teardowns that they do, so I can see, you know, what's in there without doing it myself. Anyway, those two toolkits I'm gonna look at is the Essential Electronics Toolkit and the Manta Driver Kit. So if you want to get into any of those devices, you're going to need one of these toolkits or something similar. And iFixit has great tools and the quality is outstanding. So we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing of these and take a look and see what's inside. At the end of the video though, stick around because I'm going to go ahead and pick a winner for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So I'll pick a winner for that Apple mug. And we'll do that a little later on again. So let's go ahead and unbox these and see what's inside. So here we have the Manta Driver Kit and the Essential Electronics Toolkit from iFixit. And I have always wanted one of these because this has like 112 bits. And if you need to open something up as far as electronics or devices, I'm pretty sure there's a bit in here for you to do that. I recently picked this up from the local Fry's. Shout out to Fry's because they had a sale. And I'm one of those, if I can wait to buy something until it goes on sale, I'm gonna do that. So let's go ahead and unbox this Manta Driver Kit first. And there we have it. This is the Manta Driver Kit. Nice case. What's cool about this is the top actually has these little compartments. So if you needed to set this down and use this as a separate screw tray, you could put them in all these separate compartments. Let's see if you can see that. So that's cool. There are magnets that hold the cover on, which is great. And if you don't need the tray, I think there are magnets on the bottom so you can set it on top of the tray like that. So this is your desiccant pack. Toss that. And we have two drivers here, a 4mm driver. And what's cool about this is the top spins, so if you want to hold it, you can spin it while you're holding it down. And look at all these different bits it comes with. Again, it also has a quarter driver. And this is really nice quality on here. This will last you a long time. Now I'm sure you could probably pick up a less expensive kit, but I mean, for something like this, I plan to have these for a while and probably be one of my only driver kits for devices. You know, why not spend the extra money to go ahead and pick one up? So these are all the bits. It has everything: Phillips heads, Torx, Apple's, Pentalobe. They're all in here, and it's cool is they're all organized in this kind of foam holder. Foam tray. So as soon as you use something, you put it back and it's right there. It has a size there. Not sure if you can read that, but they are labeled so you know where to put it back. So again, this holds or this has 112 separate bits. There's going to be something in here. If you need to open something, there's something in here for that, I'm sure. And again, there is, with all the information on YouTube, you'll find a repair video for probably just about anything out there. If it broke, someone has probably fixed it already. And if, again, you're brave enough to go ahead and open up that device and try and fix it yourself, and sometimes you have to. Sometimes it's either that or you toss it, and maybe, you know, no one repairs it anymore because it's an older device. Well, you can probably find the bit in here. So that's a great looking toolkit. So initially I was just going to buy this toolkit with the bits, but it lacked some tools that are in the Essential Electronics Toolkit to actually open up the device. So let's go ahead and open this and see what's in here. Oh look, if we look at the back, there's some 16 screwdriver bits, and I'm sure I have some redundancy with these two. I'm sure some of the ones that are in here are in here, but I got this mostly for the opening tools. And for that, you know, we have the spudger, we have the jimmy, we have, you know, an opening tool, 6 opening picks, a suction handle for taking screens up, and it looks like the lid also is a sorting tray. So if you want to open up those iPhones, you can definitely use these two toolkits. And they actually have a separate kit called I think it's a Pro kit that has like a combination of these two, but I wanted the extra bits that the Manta driver kit got, so I got this toolkit to kind of supplement that. So same kind of thing with this, magnetic top. Oh, looks like some things are loose in here. And it also has a sorter, so you can put screws in there or any pieces. So again, like I said, there's probably going to be some redundancy in these kits. Looks like this one also has a 4mm drive, although these are different. Same basic driver, same size. This one's metal. There's some heft to it. This one's plastic. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can tell by the logos. This one's kind of screen printed on it. This one's molded. So this one's plastic and rubber. So I'm glad actually I got this one too, because I definitely like the metal, like the feel of metal, the extra heft, just feels better quality. I'm sure this is a good driver, but this one's better, it's metal. And metal is always better than plastic. But it has that. It comes with the tweezers. Very precise tweezers, precision tweezers. These pry tools. I can't get that out of there. Maybe I need the tweezers to get them out. So this will help you pry open the devices. Oh, instructions. Push down to remove tools. Duh. I always read the instructions first. I never read instructions. I'm sure, like many of you, sometimes it does help. Maybe I'll edit that out where you see me struggling to take that out. But yeah, again, probably some redundancy here between the two kits. We have the plastic spudger again for getting into devices, maybe removing adhesive. The suction cup to remove screens. And kind of like this pry tool. people have been using guitar picks, pretty much a glorified guitar pick, to get in between the seams, to separate screens and whatever. And remember those instructions and the iFixit knife. So this is made of metal, and this will definitely get in between any seams so you can open up any devices. So great set of tools if you are a do-it-yourselfer, or you want to take the plunge and repair your own devices. I think they complement each other well. Again, this comes with a 4mm driver, but this one's plastic, this one's metal, so I prefer this one. If we take a look at the back of the box for the Manta driver kit tells you all the bits that are included. Everything that's on there. And one thing that's great is, I believe these are magnetic, so I don't have screws, but you should be able to pick up screws. I think this one is, at least. I'm not sure about this one. I think this one has a magnetic attachment. But again, great tool set. I'm glad I have this in my arsenal when I need to repair something or just take something apart. These will be a great help and great to have around. So that'll wrap it up for our unboxing of the Manta driver kit and the Essential Electronics Toolkit. Great tool sets in there if you need to take apart a device and maybe perform your own repair. I haven't done so yet, but I might. Ever since I was a kid, I used to like to take things apart, tinker with them, and see what makes them work. So maybe somewhere down the line I'll gain enough courage to do that. I mean, there's again a ton of information on YouTube to help me do that with step-by-step instructions, not only from iFixit but from other YouTubers out there. So if you want to perform your own repairs and you worked up the courage to do that, pick up one of the toolkits and try it out. Don't blame me if it doesn't work. You know, you do so at your own risk. So like I said, hey, let's go ahead and pick a winner for that 1,000 subscriber mug. Let's go ahead and see one of these random comment pickers. So I found this on commentpicker.com, and you can pick any social media. I got YouTube. We'll go and get the URL for the video, click share, click copy, go back to the comment picker, paste it in the field, and click search, and start. And good luck to all of you who've commented. Thanks for commenting. And the winner is Christopher Dennis. Congrats, Christopher, and I'll send that Apple mug to you soon. So congrats to Christopher Dennis for winning the Apple mug as part of my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Thank you for being a viewer, and thank you all watching who are subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. This channel wouldn't exist without you. So that'll do it again. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, take care and be safe.